Hi there, my name is Larissa, and today I'd like to share with you the story and purpose behind the Concussion Crew channel. About 4 years ago, I was in a major car accident and I have a brain injury. And I am very fortunate that I have a great family doctor. I was connected with a bunch of different medical professionals, physiotherapist, chiropractor, vision therapist, and I had great support. But I found that there are things that I learned along the way that I can do at home that have really helped to make things a little easier and to expedite my healing. So I wanted to share some of those tips. I am not a doctor. This is not medical advice. Nothing on this channel is medical advice. It's tips that I've learned along the way. And you might think, how big an impact can things at home really have on your healing? But I heard that Albert Einstein, and I've heard that Steve Jobs, and I haven't fact checked this, so take it with a grain of salt. I heard that they had the same clothes that they wore every day. They just bought multiple of the same shirt and pants because picking an outfit in the morning taxed their brain and used up brain power. So if these super intelligent people felt that a simple decision like what shirt should I wear taxed their brain, and they wanted to save all of their brain power for sciencey stuff, how big an impact could little changes have on our poor concussed brains? I found standing in the bathroom and brushing my teeth, I lean up against the counter trying to take the top off of the tube of toothpaste, get the toothpaste on my toothbrush, put the brush down, try to get the cap back on. That was something that frustrated me. So I found that if you just squeeze your whole tube of toothpaste into a pump bottle, it alleviates some of the frustration. And that's what I'd like to share here, little things that we can do to make life a little easier and a little more enjoyable. That leads me to point number 2. The other purpose of this channel is to build some community where we can share in the comments things that we've learned and tips that we have and feel supported. I felt quite isolated. I still feel quite isolated because of the headaches and the nausea, and I have difficulty following conversation. I can't work right now. It's difficult to hang out with my friends. I can hang out with people one-on-one for a little bit, but it's more difficult when it's a group. So I'm hoping that here we can offer each other support. So on the good days, you can come here and watch a video, share some comments, or on the bad days when you need help, come here and find ideas, ways to make it easier for you. So thank you for checking out this video. Thanks for checking out the channel. If there are things that you would like help with, let us know in the comments and we can talk about that for upcoming episodes. And please remember that you are not alone in this.